What is the new way to help boost your metabolism? Take it with your morning coffee. Delicious. It starts with you. Can coffee help increase your metabolism and help you burn fat? The answer is broken down into the 4 major ingredients in coffee that work to increase your metabolism. We all know coffee contains caffeine. This is the most commonly consumed psychoactive substance in the world and is the #1 commercial fat-burning supplement in the market. There are 3 other natural ingredients in coffee that are also proven in studies to help energize fats and increase metabolism. There are theobromine and theophylline, both stimulants in coffee. There is chlorogenic acid, which helps to slow the absorption of carbs. These known substances in coffee will help with your metabolism. So, can we do more with coffee? The answer is a resounding yes. What is the new way to help boost metabolism? It works with coffee and cappuccino. Take it every morning with your first coffee. This additive to coffee is 100% all-natural, vegetarian, non-GMO, gluten-free, and easy to take with you in a to-go pouch. This additive has no added fillers, preservatives, artificial colors, or stimulants.
Click the link in the description to know more.